It's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Klaiyi here once more, and I'm so happy about today's package because we're working with some pumpkin spice hair color again. Well, you could call it ginger, you know, whatever you want. But so this is how today's package look. I got these clips and I got a scarf along with a wig cap inside the box, and yeah, this is the wig. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. It's 24 inches long. I'm going to put the density and everything in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. It is a Bodywave, as you can see. It just reminds me of, you know, Jessica Rabbit. I don't know, it's just so gorgeous. I love it. It's a lace front, of course. It's a 13 by 4. Inside has 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. It is pre-plucked lightly, so you really don't have to go in and pluck it any further. I personally didn't, and it looked amazing. Okay, the movement is gorgeous. The luster is beautiful. It's full from the roots to the tip. Yeah, and then I proceeded to just slipping that onto my head and just adjusting it, making sure that it fits. As usual, the ear portions were a bit too long, but I love when it's like that because at least I have more to work with than less. So I just cut off what I don't need, you know, so my measurement can be as accurate as possible. So I used my Got2b spray to, you know, make this stick today. This is my adhesive for today's install, and yeah, I took my time. You know, the regular, it's the usual. It's nothing you've never seen before, so I take my time and just do that bit by bit. And I, of course, I use my blow dryer on cool air.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my.
Okay, so once I'm done with all of that, you know, I cut away the extra lace and just ensure that everything is sealed in properly. The lace is not lifting or anything like that. I got my hot comb and I started to make sure that everything is nice and laid, and I took out a few strands to do, you know, my edges. Honestly, you could do a complete pull back look if that's what you want, but I wanted to do some swoops, and that's what I did. And it was something really light. I didn't make it like too thick with the edges at all, and it is so pretty, so pretty.
Cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do.
I actually wanted to go in and curl the hair, and I took my wax stick to further lay it because I was doing I did a side part for that look. It's so pretty, laid easily too. It wasn't hard to work with at all.
Hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you
after I was done with laying it, I went in with my T3 curling iron, and this gave it some gorgeous curls. Okay, it was so beautiful. This curling iron gets pretty hot, so when you're using this, you want to be so careful. I personally burnt myself like twice before with this, and trust me, it was not pretty. You want to be very, very careful when using this curling iron. It gets extremely hot in such a short space of time. So I just did this right throughout the wig.
The sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Falling off of my broken pieces, took them all and made yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, take me higher, yeah, you take me higher.
I'm all done, and as you can see, I went in and I re-curled the hair with my T3 curling iron. I didn't like comb them out all the way because I love this curly look. It's giving me Jessica Rabbit. I really, the moment I got this wig, I knew I wanted to do a side part, you know, that nice classical side part, you know, flip over look, and that is giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, I absolutely love the look. It looks so good. The movement is nice, and as I said, this is 24 inches but feels a little longer. Klaiyi Hair, they did good on this wig. This is the trending color for this season. If you guys haven't figured that out already, I'm telling you now, it is really nice, man. Give you that pumpkin spice feeling, because you know, this orange is pumpkin slash orange slash ginger look. It's really nice. So yeah, as usual, I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, as well as the direct link if you're interested in purchasing it for yourself. And if there are any discount codes, that will be listed. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual, and don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You take me higher, you take me